Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to watch the verse of the day on the Bible application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page by tapping on the home button down below in the left side corner of the page. Then you should scroll down and tap on the verse of the day story button. And
Hey
here
friends,
you
my
can
name is
watch this video about the verse of the day. If you would like to, you can proceed by tapping on the right side of the screen. So after watching the video, you can read the scripture, then you can reflect how can you show God's love to someone today, then select one of these options. Here you can read the devotional, the prayer, and here you can check out the image. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.